What actually happens if you crack your knuckles every single day? Stage 1 is just the sound of pop at 83 decibels, loud like a diesel truck on display. Not bone and not damage, but nitrogen bubbles in the fluid that decay, collapsing like depth charges in a microscopic fray. Basically tiny thunderclaps inside your joints at play. Stage 2 is pure science with lubricant fluids filled with gas, nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide that come to pass. Pull your finger, space expands and pressure drops so fast. Gases form a bubble, then collapse with shockwave blast. Congratulations, you created underwater explosions from boredom in the past. Stage 3 asks about arthritis, but the answer is a no. One doctor cracked his left hand for 50 years just to know. Results showed zero difference in strength or joint flow. Science says the sound is weird but dangerous, it won't grow. Your grandma might hate it, but biology says let it go. Stage 4 has got a catch, you can't crack the same one twice in a row, because gas needs 20 minutes to redissolve and slow. So real risk isn't popping, but going caveman on your hand with a blow. Like your fingers owe you money and you're ready for the show. Do you crack your knuckles now or let the tension go?